Hey, you cool cats and kittens, it's Mr. Rankin. I got an awesome language activity for you guys this week. It has to do with making your own Bitmoji version of yourself. So, first of all, with Bitmoji, it's an app that it's in the top center-ish next to my Netflix there. So Bitmoji is something that makes an avatar that you can use when you're typing or using keyboards. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to download that. Now to download Bitmoji, you might have to let me know that you're watching this video because you might need a password. Because you need to download this app. It's called Bitmoji. I can also send it out to you. And first thing you're going to do when you go into Bitmoji is you're going to create your own avatar. And it's not hard to do. It's actually really fun. First time that you do it, you're going to have to log in with your school account. Your at ed.amdsb.ca account. But anyway, you're going to make your avatar. Next, you're going to go into this week's language activity where it has the Bitmoji Gymnasium. And it says right here, what is your favorite gym activity? We have Mrs. Shaw running around. Mrs. Thomas is playing hockey. Love it. That is a great activity. And me standing in the center doing my stretches, okay? One of my favorite things. So to add your Bitmoji, what you're going to do is you're going to press, see the top right, there's that plus button or a T button. It's a plus button. We're going to press that plus button. And this is going to kind of sound weird, but we're going to insert text, okay, the second one down, because we're going to insert the Bitmoji avatar with our keyboard. Because once you've made your avatar, you'll press this little world button in the bottom left corner. And if I hold that, it says what keyboards I have. I have my regular keyboard, emoji keyboard, and my new Bitmoji keyboard. And check this out. I'm going to search Bitmoji here. I'm going to search one sport I really like in gym is baseball. I'm going to type in baseball and press that search button in the bottom right in green. And, oh, look at this. I see a guy who is flying for a ball right there. I'm going to press him. And it says, Bitmoji copy, now paste it. So I'm going to press the screen above it. And once I press the screen, it's going to say, oh, I have that paste option in the middle. So select all, and paste. I'm going to press paste. And look, there's Mr. Rankin flying through the air. So there I would be right there making the catch in a game of baseball. I want you guys to give this activity a shot because this is how we're going to start making comics for language to show what you guys have been doing and to answer questions. And so anyway, I hope you have a lot of fun because this is, for me, this has been really fun. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.